In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok is under heavy usage right now. If you've run into that message, it usually means the service is temporarily saturated or your browser is holding onto a stale session that keeps retrying at a busy moment. We'll start with the quickest checks, then clean up the browser data that most often clears the roadblock. First, head to grok.com. Make sure the address is correct and the page fully loads. Sometimes this message flashes briefly during a spike and disappears on its own once the page settles. If it persists, give the page a refresh and try again. Use the reload button or your browser's refresh shortcut. A quick reload requests a fresh response from the server, and waiting a few seconds between attempts helps you avoid tripping any rate limits that might be in place during heavy traffic. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, open your browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. This menu gives you access to settings that control how your browser stores site data. The exact layout can vary slightly by browser, but you're looking for the options tied to privacy and data storage. From that menu, choose Delete Browsing Data. This opens a panel where you can remove cached files and cookies that may be keeping you stuck to an overloaded edge or an expired session. Keep in mind, clearing this information can sign you out of sites and reset some preferences, so it's normal to have to log back in later. Next, click on More, then set the time range to All Time. Selecting All Time ensures you're not leaving behind older entries that could still interfere with a clean connection. This is especially important if you've seen the error more than once or across multiple visits. Finally, click on Delete Data. Give it a moment to finish. When it completes, your browser has a fresh slate for Grok, no cached pages, no lingering cookies, and no outdated session tokens. That means your next attempt should negotiate a brand new connection instead of repeating whatever led to the heavy usage loop. If you still see the message right after this, it likely reflects a real-time traffic spike on the service. A brief pause followed by a normal refresh often lands you on a less crowded server. That's it. You went to Grok, tried a clean refresh, opened the menu, deleted browsing data, chose all time under More, and confirmed the deletion. With a fresh session, you should be back up and running as soon as capacity frees up.